Hi folks, just in case you're wondering what I've been doing lately with the old Sawmill, you know I love a beer, knocked up a bit of a pub. This is mostly pine. Yeah, the Sawmill's still going great.
Finished off my outdoor area. Mainly pine weatherboards and 6x3s. Red gum bar top with pour-on two-part plastic. I think it's polyurethane. Kitchen bench, deep fryer, Go Health, double gas cooker, hot and cold water, various cooking utensils. Yeah mate, pretty happy with that. Cheers.
Yeah, 6x3 beams, not weatherboards, and LED lighting. What a fantastic thing that is.